Let's take a look at the Nexus Tornado. So this is the Tornado itself. Now this is designed for anal stimulation, great for both solo or couple use. And with its rotating functionality, it features 6 stimulation modes and 3 rotation speeds. It also comes with a remote control with a range of up to 8 meters and perfect to use with a partner, especially if you're a beginner with this type of experience. It's small and made from 100% body safe silicone, and it's also rechargeable. It also features stimulating ridges all the way around there for extra stimulation during use. The buttons are at the base. The remote control cannot turn on the Tornado by itself. To turn on, you're going to push and hold for 2 seconds on the button with the 2 arrows. You'll see a light come on both, and this indicates they're both on. To activate the vibrations, click on the squiggly line. To switch vibrations, click on that same button. For the rotation, click on the left button and click on that same button to adjust. The remote control, all you need to do is push and hold for 2 seconds. And as you can see, the vibrations have stopped. If you press again, it's now on. If you click on the wavy lines, simply change the vibrations, and then of course you can click on the left for the rotation, and you can have lots of fun experimenting. Turn off again, push and hold on the on-off button. The remote control has turned off, and you just need to push and hold on each button, and now it's off. The charging point is located just above the letters DC. Using your USB charging cable provided, you're going to gently push it in through this little hole to be recharged. The remote control is also rechargeable and comes with a magnetic USB charging cable. All you need to do with this one is simply attach the magnetic dots together, and it can be recharged for you. The charging point is located at the very bottom. Simple, quick and easy to recharge. Now when using the Tornado, we'd recommend using a water-based lubricant. Make sure to clean after every use with a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. It is also water resistant, so you can use this in the bath or shower for extra fun sensations as well. For more information on the Nexus Tornado, you can head over to our website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.